Aba, tingnan mo nga naman. Kung ang Bubble Gang ang longest running gag show, ang flood control hearing naman ay ang longest running show.
Tuloy pa rin ang kanilang bakbakan. Oh, eh na, suntukan na. Ito. Naku.
They will both be ejected.
Oh, it's a free-for-all. It's a free-for-all because a punch was thrown. Oh, and Coach Yang Yao's going after Kobuntin. Coach Yang is upset and he calmed himself down as he went to Kobuntin.
Buti naman.
And this has erupted.
Aba, tignan mo nga naman oh. Wala nang pera, inambag pa sa inuman. Ay!